can almost guarantee that when you solve this question on your own or come close to the answer by trying, you will significantly improve your cognitive skills. You're presented with the series of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 24, 56, and 72. You see all the numbers, right? Now we need to start eliminating the numbers. First step, you need to eliminate multiples of 8. In second step, you need to eliminate squares of numbers. And then in the third step, you need to eliminate prime numbers. So, which number is remaining? Your choices for the answers are choice A, 9, choice B, 11, choice C, 12, and last but not least, choice D, 72. I know, it's tempting just to rewind the video and look up the answer right away. In fact, a lot of viewers are doing just that. Believe me, I looked at YouTube Analytics report. But hey, I know you are special. You are not going to do it, and here's why. Aren't you here to learn things? Do you really believe that you will get exactly the same question on the test? Would just knowing the answer to this particular question be helpful to you? Or maybe, just maybe you're here to learn how to solve these problems on your own. Think about it. You can only do it by building a habit of embracing the learning, and you can only improve by doing it regularly. And here on this channel, I aim to help you to learn the problems by figuring out how to solve them on your own. In fact, let me help you by boosting your motivation a little. Always remember Buddha's quote, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." I think this phenomenal idea might inspire you to embrace curiosity, perseverance, and continuous growth by reminding you that your thoughts and your mindset shape your potential and your success. Let me give you a quick hint to help you. Let's together eliminate the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8 are 8, 24, 56, and 72. Well, with that in mind, the remaining numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13. And all you need to do is just to complete step 2 and step 3. So, get ready, set, and go. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? I have full confidence that your solution is ready and we can compare the answers. And remember, the key is not to give up and keep trying and doing your activities and solving all your problems regularly. Make it a habit and priority and improve your cognitive skills every single day. And solving problems step by step is amazingly easy. We already solved step 1. In step 2, we need to eliminate square numbers. So the square numbers are here 1, 4, and 9. 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, and 9 is square of 3. Let's look at the remaining numbers of what's left. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, and 13. You know, I can't believe that just by doing one more step, we can eliminate that many numbers. But the reality is that the prime numbers here are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. And the remaining number is 12. So the correct answer here is choice C, 12. I hope you would agree that it's hard to argue with wisdom of Maya Angelou, who famously remarked, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." Use the setbacks you face in the challenge of this assessment test question as a stepping stones for greater achievements, refusing to let obstacles deter you from reaching your goals. Keep trying, and even if you fail, get back on your feet and move forward, knowing that one day you will definitely succeed. You're presented with cool-looking shape, which has 6 numbers on the outside and 1 number in the middle. The number in the middle is 8, and the numbers on the outside are 10, 18, 36, 27, 19, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 1, choice B, 4, choice C, 14, and last but not least, choice D, 45. Well, I kind of know what you're about to say, but remember Maya Angelou. Facing a challenging question on the assessment test can feel daunting, but remember, every obstacle is an opportunity for your growth. Take a moment to gather your thoughts, trust in your abilities, and approach the question with determination and resilience. Together, we will navigate through this challenge and emerge stronger on the other side. Are you ready to show your answer? As you approach answering this question, remember that the journey of your self-improvement is paved with challenges. Whether your answer is correct or not, each one of your attempts make you strengthen your skills and resilience, bringing you closer to success. And a lot of times, the biggest obstacle is in your mind. And this question might be a good example of this. The pattern here is extremely simple. Sum of all the numbers on the opposite sides of the shape with addition of the middle number equals 45. Let's look at the example. 10 plus 27 plus 8 equals 45. Let's look to the next pair of numbers at 3 and 9 o'clock. 18 plus 19 plus 8 equals 45. So the missing number can be calculated as 45 minus sum of 36 plus 8, which equals 45 minus 44 and equals 1. So the correct answer here is choice A, 1. Admit it or not, but I think you're not just about to answer this amazing question, you're about to conduct a symphony of knowledge. Each correct note brings you closer to harmonious finale of success. You're presented with 3 triangles. Each triangle has 4 numbers inside. The numbers are across 3 triangles, 2, 3, and 4, then 5, 6, and 7. Hey, easy to detect the pattern, right? And then at the bottom, each triangle also has numbers. I'll start from the left. 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, and then comes the missing number, which you need to select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 0, choice B, 1, choice C, 2, and last but not least, choice D, 3. Do you think it's a tricky question? Well, I kind of agree with you. But remember, you are not navigating this path alone. And I'm here to help, as well as other subscribers on this channel. Whether you're a problem-solving expert or a newcomer, I have faith in your capabilities. Take a moment to gather your thoughts, tap into your imaginative side, and let's triumph over this challenge together. Your solution is almost ready and is definitely within the reach. Are you ready with your solution? Let's proceed so we can compare the answers. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist and I tried to trick you. I hope you didn't fall for it. The numbers here are calculated inside of each triangle, not across the triangles. In fact, the pattern here is that multiplication of top 2 numbers plus the increment equals the value represented by the bottom digits. Let's look at the example. For example, in first triangle, the numbers 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1, 1 is the increment, equals 11. In the second triangle, increment will be increasing, so instead of 1, it will be 2. 3 multiplied by 6 plus 2 equals 20. So the missing number can be calculated as 4 multiplied by 7 plus 3 equals 31. So the missing number is 1, and the correct answer here is choice B, 1. Let's face it, cracking this particular question is like teaching a giraffe to limbo. A tall order, but once you bend your mind around it, the success is a real stretch. This question might be secretly measuring our ability to handle mental acrobatics to deal with unusually looking shapes. Speaking about shapes, you're presented with 4 shapes, and 3 of them are very unusual, and you need to determine which shape has the longest perimeter. Your goal is to select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choices A, B, C, and D. You feel like you stumbled upon a tough task? Well, you are not alone in this journey. I feel exactly the same way. But whether you're a problem-solving veteran or a newcomer, I believe in your capabilities. Take a moment to reflect, tap into your creativity, and let's tackle this challenge together. Your answer is just waiting to be discovered. Are you ready with your solution? If you need a little help, gear up for the explanation. Together, we will unravel the complexities of this question. I will ask you for a favor though, and specifically to share your thought process in comments. Your insights might hold the key for all of us to learn and improve. To solve this challenge, let's look at some important considerations. You might have noticed that all shapes here consist of the same square building block. But because shapes are so dramatically different, perimeter of the shape can be calculated in two different ways. The first way is to calculate the total length of the boundaries. The example here might be shape C. And the second way to calculate the perimeter might be sum of length of all of the sides. An example of this shape might be square, which is represented by shape A. Because the squares are all the same, we can assume that we can use square as one unit in the calculation. For example, the rightmost side in the shape C could be calculated as 4 units, and the rightmost side in the square would consist of 3 units. To calculate the perimeter of shape A, we need to sum up both of its sides and multiply it by 2. 3 plus 3 in parentheses multiplied by 2 equals 12. Perimeter of shape A can be measured as 12 units. Now let's look at shape B. Here we need to manually count the boundary squares. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, and 20. So perimeter for shape B consists of 20 units. Same thing is for shape C. Please verify my math, and if I made a mistake, post it in comments. But shape D is different. Let's do the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, and 22. Which means that the shape's D perimeter is the longest with 22 units. So the correct answer here is choice D. To solve this challenge, let's draw the energy and inspiration from Henry Ford, who once famously remarked, "Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently." Every question you tackle is a chance for you to learn and grow. Use this knowledge as a ladder to climb towards your career goals. You need to build English business word, and you're presented with the wheel, which has letters A, E, D, then comes first missing letter, then the letter N, second missing letter, letter L, and then comes the last missing letter. Your choices for the missing letters are choice A, T-O-R, choice B, N-G-I, choice C, D-I-E, and last but not least, choice D, M-L-I. It's only natural to feel apprehensive about the difficulty of this question. But remember, every challenge is a chance for you to prove your resilience. So collect your thoughts, remind yourself of your capabilities, and approach each question with vigor and persistence. This would allow you not only to get closer to your goal, but also build a stronger, more competent self. So you can get ready and start working on the answer. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? Remember that with each question you engage with, you're sharpening your skills and enhancing your understanding. Always keep in mind that every practice, every moment of effort is a valuable contribution to your personal and professional growth. And it shouldn't surprise you that even if you took the wrong guess this time, it has its own benefits. In fact, one of the most crucial parts of self-improvement journey is believing that making mistakes is not just part of learning, but crucial to it, since it enables personal and intellectual development. Speaking about mistakes, you might be curious to learn that the most typical mistake candidates make here is not considering that the letters can be combined into a word counterclockwise. Let me give you a quick hint. The word we're looking at is related to project management, and the meaning of this word is crucial for ensuring that project milestones are met on time, helping to manage the expectations of all stakeholders and keeping the project on track towards successful completion. As you might have correctly guessed, the word is deadline. In project management, a deadline refers to the specific date by which a task, project, or phase or entire project must be completed. So the missing letters are D, I, and E, And the correct answer here is choice C. Don't you think this is the word to die for? I can guarantee that when you solve this question on your own, or at least try to come as close to the answer as possible, you will significantly improve your intelligence, improve your IQ, and will take your skills to the next level. You're presented with the magic 4x4 square. The 16 numbers in the square are 13, 10, 14, 16, 8, 7, 12, 11, 9, 10, 13, 12, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You need to start anywhere and connect 3 numbers on the path. And your goal is to determine what is the highest sum of 3 numbers. Are you still confused? Well, let me show you how to do it. 5 plus 6 plus 7, that's one path. 5 plus 10 plus 12 is another diagonal path. And 5 plus 9 plus 8 is another path. Which path do you think has the highest sum of 3 numbers? Here's the deal. You need to engage your brain. Let me help you by boosting your energy a little bit. Remember Benjamin Franklin? He was a founding father of the United States. Do you actually know who am I talking about? Guess what? You might have a much more intimate connection with this person than you know. He's on the $100 bill that you might have in your pocket. And there is an extremely good reason why his quotes offer timeless wisdom and can help you to inspire and to navigate challenges effectively. He was an amazing person, and here's what he said. Energy and persistence conquer all things. Remember this. This will help you to stay curious and determined. And also remember that consistent effort and proactive attitude are the keys to mastering new challenges and achieving continuous growth. And now it's your time to shine. So get ready, set, and go. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? Are you? Have you even tried solving this question? Or you just one of those people that rewind the video? Rewind it to just get to the answer. Guess what? This time your efforts of rewinding will gain you no results. We're here only to help people who actually want to improve their skills and actually solve the challenges. Well, and it's not just me. I know you don't care about me, right? You only care about yourself. But here's the deal. There are people working here very hard to design the questions, to animate the questions, and to do everything for you so you grow and become the best version of yourself. And if you're not interested to do it, you should just probably unsubscribe. But for those of you who do care, who actually want to improve yourself, let me give you a quick hint. Take a look at the number 16 in the upper right corner. This might be the key for you to solve this challenge. If you care to learn, the highest number in these types of questions might be the key to unlock the answer. So go ahead and try to build a sequence of 3 connected numbers using number 16 as the first number. So spend some time, work thoroughly on this problem, and once you're done, post your answer in comments. I will take a look and post my version of the answer as well, so we can truly compare the answers. I wish you all the best in solving this challenge, and I truly believe that you can do it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.